信じてるものを強く引き寄せる凍えた眼差しも守ってあげるから願いの日の螺旋に舞い降りてく
Here's what I have to say about the anime Hidan no Aria. Hilma, a second-year student at Tokyo Butte High School, was once upon a time involved in a bombing on the way to school, but his life was saved thanks to Aria H. Kanzaki, the most powerful S-rank Butte student in assault studies. Aria insists that she has Kinji on her Butte team, but Kinji declines. So basically, Aria has to pester him and enslave him too until he finally agrees to work with her. And he agrees to work with her at some point in the series. There's also Kinji's childhood friend Shirayuki Hotogi, who is rivals with Aria since Aria is staying with Kinji. Kinji also has a trait called Hysteria 7, or Hysteria mode for short, which makes his logical thinking, judgment, and reflexes all rise dramatically. I think this anime isn't bad at all. From my point of view, I actually like this series. I could easily compare this to one of my favorite anime, Shakugan no Shana. Aria is small and hostile, just like how Shana is. Aria grows closer to Kinji, like how Shana grows closer to Yuji. Aria beats up Kinji for peeping on her, Shana beats up Yuji for peeping on her. This anime could be easily comparable to my favorite one, which is why I like it. On a scale from 0 to 10, I give this anime a 7. Personally, I wouldn't say that this is one of my favorites because it only has 12 episodes plus an OVA, but and the ending isn't really that great at all. But I'm not saying that it's bad. It can actually be fun to watch in case if you ever get bored or something like that and you can't find anything else to do. I'd recommend it to pretty much anyone, and who knows, there could be a second season too. And maybe once the manga or light novels end for real, it could have a happy ending like Shana. And that's about it. Ichigo out. 信じてるものを強く